Yes, greeting to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundit of the Premier Soccer League, and thank you for joining us on this beautiful Sunday as we are here to share different issues like rumors, transfer update, prediction, as well as fixtures on the present season of 2024-2025 to South Africa Premier Division. If you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information, you can subscribe and smash the bell icon. Here we go. South African football analyst Junior Hanye has heaped praise on Bafana Bafana starlet Relebohile Mofokeng, broadly placing him among the top young footballers in the world. Speaking on the iDisk TV, Hanye expressed his comment about Mofokeng's talent and composure on the field. This young man has something special, Hanye remarked. His level of skill, maturity, and improvement make him one of the most exciting prospects in football today. If our league were on stronger international level, he will be undoubtedly mentioned in the same conversations as Lamine Yamal of Barcelona and Brazil Enrique. Hanye emphasized the pressure that comes with representing a national team like Bafana Bafana, noting that wearing the jersey carrying great responsibility. It may seem easy from the outside, but stepping into the field with the weight of a nation on your shoulders is no small feat. Mofokeng handled it brilliantly. The analyst also acknowledged the challenges Mofokeng faced in a recent month. After setting high expectation upon his promotion to Orlando Pirates, he has showcased his skills as the best footballer, and we know on the last Sunday he managed to score 2 goals in front of Mamelodi Sundowns Masanda Wana, and in the game against Lesotho he scored also a very nice goal. So if you look at this, you will agree with Mofokeng. You see Junior Hanye that Mofokeng is one of the best player in the world and one of the best player in South Africa football. What is your thought about